Fortunately, we have a government right now who is very considerate about this issue. As Modi ji on the Independence Day had very clearly and categorically stated that women security issue is his main zone of consideration. As he said that it is not the time now that women or the girls should be taught, rather the boys need to be taught. That is what the intentions of the government are. Now for the implementation matter, since the government is listening to us, that's why we have arranged this program. All the women Karyakarta under the leadership of our Mahila Morcha president of the Delhi state, we have started this program to reach to every woman and girl of Delhi. There are many other requirements that need to be done at the police system, at the judicial system or at the government system. So we will convey all these problems along with the solutions to the Home Ministry. We will send our report to the Home Ministry that this is the feedback of the women of Delhi and that needs to be implemented. Maybe there are very minute details which need to be checked up. So for that matter we have started this campaign and it will reach to every nook and corner of Delhi. We will make teams and we will reach there and we'll prepare a report and send it to the Home Ministry. These women commissions, they need to be more, they need to be given more powers, you know. They should not only be a recommendatory body or the investigation agency, they should be given more powers. So the women who can approach them easily, they should also have a solution through them. In Delhi, 1800 more police women have been trained and recruited for this purpose. They'll come as a commando force. 13,000 girls have been given martial art training to this thing. 100 places have been identified at the Delhi level where the vulnerability for this kind of a crime was more. So it has been identified. Law and problem at these places need to be more checked up. That is under consideration by the police system. And as far as the Nirbhaya Fund is concerned, all over India, there are about more than 600 districts that have been selected for this Nirbhaya centers. And in Delhi only 60 centers have been selected, other than district revenue districts, where Nirbhaya centers would be set up. 500 crores by the government has already been sanctioned under the Nirbhaya Fund for these district centers, where they'll be given medical counseling, legal counseling, any other help that a woman or a girl needs at these centers.
Powered by NNIS.